And good afternoon, everybody. Michelle Segro here. Can you tell what time of year it is? I don't know. Looks like that time of year, 4th of July, right around the corner. And what a great way to celebrate wearing some red, white, and blue and showing your patriotism. Speaking of blue, you know our color blue. If we look at the color wheel, it's the opposite of color orange. And you know we're always trying to fight that orange when we're coming up. So today we want to talk quickly about, from the Power Tools line, CBC, the color balance corrector. This is your indigo blue drops, your additive to add into your permanent color, semi-permanent color, demi-permanent color, lightener to achieve more control of that warmth, that brass, that red, that yellow, whatever you want to call it, okay? It's designed in a variety of ways to use, whether you're toning, lightening, or just maintaining. CBC will assist in the controlling of all those unwanted warmths. Let's get into this quickly. It's only be about a 6 or 8 minute video, so we're gonna get into this real quick, okay? I know we're all busy. So, lightening process. Right now, we're all lightening. We're trying to get to that white with control, with getting out of that yellow. So, my lovely assistant here, the lovely Michelle, she's gonna add into our lightener formula, she's gonna add 17 drops. I'm gonna come to you, Vince. 17 drops of the blue color balance corrector. She's gonna whip it up. As you can see, it's already taking on a more bluish effect, but that will not affect, it's not gonna draw any blue into your final product. You're just controlling. What's gonna happen is that blue is gonna go away and return to its natural color, but the blue will still be in there controlling unwanted warmth as we're lifting the process, trying to get to that blonde and beyond stage before we're putting our pastels in. Okay, that's that one right there. Another one we're gonna do is when tinting, add your CBC to the retouch. So we're going to have some permanent color right here. Michelle's going to bring some permanent color. And whether you're tinting, whether you're staying the same level, whether you're going darker to control warmth at those level 5s and 7s, or whether you're highlighting with a high lift formula, you know how that goes with high lift. It can be a little dicey. Add it right in. That's the color it's going to turn. It's not going to turn blue. It's just going to control that unwanted warmth when it comes in. Okay, so there it is in permanent hair color. So there we go. Now toning. Let's talk about toning. It's all about toning. You know, we're trying to get these pastels. We got to tone. We got to get it even as possible. So when toning, your reds, your golds, your brass, whatever you want to call it, we know what it is. It's not the desired result. You'll add your CBC into your semi-permanent color. And she's doing it right now. Now let's look at this real quick. It gets a little scary because the semi-color, when it comes out of the tube, it's yellow. But the CBC is going to make it green. Of course, yellow and blue make green, but not to worry. You're going just to add to that controlling effect. You're going to add to the controlling of the of those unwanted pigments, those unwanted warm pigments. Okay. There's that one there. We see how that one does. Let's get the next one out. Demi-perm, same thing. Demi-permanent color, particularly if you're doing you're covering gray. And you want it to stay cool because sometimes those colors they get brassy after a couple of weeks, okay? So add this in there, add this to your semi-perms, and again, you see the blue controlling the warmth. It's all about controlling the warmth. Don't worry, your blue's not gonna pop through, it's not gonna grab or anything, it's just gonna control that warmth, okay? Trust the process, guys, trust the process, okay? What do we have left? We got all those in there. Now, something I do also, and because CBC's on sale this month, that's right, it's on sale, take advantage. What I will do sometimes, when the client goes out, I will retail either a 1 ounce or a 4 ounce to the client. They put 4 or 5 drops in their shampoo or conditioner, they shampoo with it, it controls that warmth. Now, you know what, I like this better than the purple shampoos and stuff like that because they kind of rough up the hair. But Michelle, look at Michelle's hair. Can we look at Michelle's hair? Okay, Michelle. What's your daily regimen with the CBC?
Well, I usually use 5 drops in my dual action cream shampoo and conditioner. And every 3 to 4 washes, I'll use the 4-bond shampoo and conditioner, and I'll add it to that. And that keeps me beyond blonde.
Beyond blonde. I mean,
I don't like any orange or yellow.
I don't even know what this color. I don't know if this color has a name. It's so beyond blonde.
Matches.
But it matches. Look, it matches.
Matches.
There you go. So there you go. There's our little tidbits on CBC. Mix it with everything you have, and just trust the process. Get a bottle right now. It's the simplest thing you can do for your clients. Once again, color balance corrector, CBC, get it at your salon centric. Thanks for everything. Thanks, Dennis, and happy 4th of July.